At the end of this video, you will have learned the ultimate method used by the old masters and how you can use it to improve your own paintings. Hi, I'm Marie-Louise and welcome to my channel, where I share inspiration and practical tips to help you take your landscape paintings to the next level. Oh, and I want to say right from the beginning that I'm not trying to compare myself to the great masters in any way, but we can all learn from them and their techniques. Let me ask you if you can guess, what do all great masterpieces, all the great paintings that we consider masterpieces, what do they have in common? If you answer that they were all painted by artists that practiced and practiced, you would be absolutely right. But another thing great paintings have in common is that they look absolutely great in black and white as well as in color. So how can we take this knowledge and use it to improve our own paintings? Here are a couple of examples of my work, some of my landscapes. And some years ago it occurred to me that my landscape paintings became a lot better if I started them out by using only black and white. That way you can really avoid a lot of common mistakes. And let me try and explain to you why. When we are in the beginning stages of painting and drawing, we are most often concerned with what we paint. For example, landscapes, animals, and the colors in our paintings, which makes perfect sense because this is often the driver for our passion and our wish to render something. So what happens if we take color out of that equation is that we can focus more fully on what we're painting, which in my case is this landscape. Now I'm free to focus on darks and lights, shapes, the foreground, the background, etc., without worrying about mixing the right colors. As a result, I end up with a much stronger composition. I believe most creative people are sensitive, and if you're like me, you absolutely love colors. So it's easy to get distracted or even seduced by beautiful colors. So taking color out of the equation will make you less distracted, so to speak. So I suggest you give this method a try to see if it will help you in your search for stronger and better paintings. In my next video, I want to show you how you can glaze with colors and add colors to your black and white landscape. In this stage of the painting, I realized that most of my grays were kind of the same middle grays, so I needed to kind of boost the contrast. I want to add darker darks and lighter lights to really increase the contrast between dark and light, and thereby creating a more interesting and a bit more dramatic landscape. The old masters knew the importance of black and white and using a range of gray tones in between black and white. In artist lingo, this is called value. And value means the relative lightness or darkness. Usually this is illustrated on a scale going from white to black with the different shades of gray in between. I'm just gonna pop up a shot of a gray scale here for your reference. So to sum up today's video, you will take a giant leap forward in your skill level if you train yourself to see and use value and value contrast in your paintings. Thank you very much for watching. Keep painting and see you in the next video.